been called upon over here to speak about my experience as far as E20 is concerned. When I say my experience, it means my family, immediate relatives, cousins, friends, even work colleagues. Now, E20, in my opinion, has been a total disaster. It's like the gentleman said that he's now has to pay almost double the price for more or less traveling the same distance. And that has been a thing which I believe everybody, all of us, all over India, not only in Goa, has experienced. Like there's a relative of mine who has had the similar problem like his. She uses a car only to drop her children to school, come back and go to work and come back. Distance is the same. Time that she travels on also is the same. So it's not a question of there's road congestion or anything. First, she used to fill up around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees per month in her car. Now she's filling approximately about 6,000. Now maybe there's a question of where this 30% extra is going. Now I think 10% you can say is because of the price increase of petrol which has recently occurred. But the remaining 20% I think is definitely a reduction in the mileage. There's another thing also which is affecting almost everybody. Whether you have a bike, you got a car, you have anything. That comes to the maintenance point of it. Now, there are many parts in a vehicle which are rubberized, hard plastic. Those things are getting either spoiled, leaking, or in some places even the parts which are of galvanized iron, which has withstood the test of time over for these older cars of 7-8 years, they are corroding, leaking and giving major problems. Now we are not only talking of 30% less mileage or whatever. It's a question of maintenance. And maintenance comes very expensive, especially for cars. So I think this E20 rollout has been a total disaster. It has to be either rethought of or re-implemented. Because I got cousins in Brazil. Now in Brazil, they are using E30 Petrol, which is like 30% of ethanol and rest is petrol. Whereas we have started now with E20. With E20 only are having such problems. Whereas in Brazil, even the older cars have no problem of that sort. I mean, agreed that now the recent vehicles which they are selling in Brazil are flex fuel. But the older cars, which are built on the same technology, at least as far as I know, they are not facing any problems. So either the quality of the E20 in India is bad, or there's some manufacturing, difficulty, or they are not following the due process in manufacturing the ethanol in the way it is supposed to be manufactured. So, and I'm pretty sure that all of you all will agree with me on this point. I'm sure over here everybody has got a vehicle. And I don't think I'm the only person who's facing it. It's like the gentleman also. And I'm sure there are many people who are automobile engineers who will also vouch for the same. Because they are, I'm a civil engineer. There are people who will be in the automobile line, who may be mechanics, who may be automobile engineers or mechanical engineers who will vouch for the same. Things which have never happened before with a normal petrol is actually happening now. So I think hopefully Mr. Kejriwal will be successful in convincing the government to either roll it back or implement it in a much better way. So we hopefully have this thing that you will take this town hall thing in a much bigger and better way and get this problem of ours rectified, which is affecting everybody. This has got nothing to do with any political, whether you're BJP or anti-BJP or you're national or anti-national. This is a fact which is actually affecting people. So I hope you and the entire team of yours will take this up in a big way and sort out a problem. Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.